saying it's not working.
It's not gonna make a difference, any of that.
Yeah,
why don't you lower me and then I get out of here?
Yeah, I reckon.
You watch me back there with them.
Yeah, go on, you're alright.
Because I can't see you there, I just lost them.
Alright, keep going, mate. Take your lock off, mate.
I haven't got a lock on.
Right, keep going.
Where is it dropping? Is it dropping there?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh God. Here we go again, guys, another video struck in UK. I know it's been a while, but before we even start, like this video and comment, that will help us a lot. And then I know it's the start, but if you can do that, I really will appreciate that quite a lot. Let's get to it now and let's go there. I think I came out of this one before. Yeah, God, I think the kids are back to school now, so it's gonna be a difficult one because it's gonna be cast left and right. All right, down. Whoa. Okay. There he is. Pretty much finished now. Oh, everybody's sitting outside. Doing, doing, doing. All right. Looks like they're getting a delivery or something. Holy Jesus. There you go. Dong, dong. Oh my gosh, I think it's scaffold and stuff. Alright, okay. Let me see how I can do this. I'm gonna have to do the same way we did it last time. It's the only possible way I can think of. Oh. Together. Hey, I'm a master on this. It's like one wrong movement, you can't, you're dumb. Come on, baby, come on. That's a win. Where about? Now you just gotta wait for them to finish what they're doing anyway. All right, gonna dry out here.
That's not what you hit the wire.
Yeah. It's all right, man. I can see it.
Yeah, I'm over that way.
It's just like whoa,
Yeah, it's all right.
whoa, and sliding back.
Shit this side.
I know.
You're a good driver though.
Not really. Try my best.
I think he just said he wants you there for now. Wait. I think he just wants you just stay. Long as you can shut the gate. Shut the gate.
Oh. Is it? It's all right then.
Yeah, I'll tell you in a minute. I think you're just coming in and out in it and then it's right out.
Oh God. Let's pull this up. Oh, okay. So you just want me to bear left?
Yeah.
It's a bit tight. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to push it all the way back.
We're on full lock now, that way.
That's what I'm trying to do. Will you watch me back there with them?
Yeah, go on, you're alright.
Because I can't see you there, I just lost them.
Keep going.
Say. Look at that. I was fine where I was. Hold on. Yeah, I got one there. Where is it dropping? Is it dropping there?
Yeah.
And The thing is, I would have to go forward and backwards again. Hold on. Oh God. Is that good to go now? Yeah, yeah. Go forward.
Turn it back a bit.
I'm trying to now, yeah. I haven't got a lock on.
Keep going.
I'm gonna have to put it a bit.
Go on. You have to go over that, over it. Go on, mate. Go on.
Hold on. Hold one sec. Alright. That's better. It's all good now. There's not enough space in here to move.
We had it in yesterday.
Yeah, I know you had one in, but you had it in here. Didn't go that far back. Just keep an eye on it, I can't see. You what? It's not going to make a difference, any of that.
Yeah,
why don't you lower me and then I get out of here?
I reckon
Because you going now, aren't you?
Fuck's sake, you can't come out, man.
How far are we from this side? Can I not go any further back? Can I not go any further back? Are you going to start loading it then? That's it. It's getting loaded here. All right, another nightmare in these places, but you know what? We make the best of it. And Jesus, that's a bit difficult, like messing about with all that. But you know what? While they mess about with this guy's doing something else. Look, he wants to him. He wants out. He's coming in. I'm in the middle and everything. He's no space there. Back there, I should be alright to get back there, but no, they're not even thinking about that. I don't even know what's the plan now. If he drops down there, I won't be able to get out. Come back now. Alright, come back. Should be alright getting out of there. Hey! While everybody's arguing there, I just sit here and just wait out, but I think to move out, they're gonna have to move a couple of stuff from the front. So I'm alright with that. But this place is absolutely minging today, so all dirty with the straps and all that. God. Hey. All good, isn't it? Another truck coming in, they're dropping down there, and Jesus Christ. So it's coming in, he's turning around there, and everybody's just doing the proper stuff.
Come on, driver, keep going.
There you go, babe. There's one coming in, one coming out, and it's flying back. Look at that. All right, the loading process just started. Let's go and have a look at this. Hat on. Hold that. Hold on. Try that. Let's find that. All right, somehow I'm gonna have to start like strapping this. Yeah, this is gonna be a dicky one. Had to give it the last talking. All right, all packed up, strapped in. It's a little bit of mixed load and quite hard to do, but everything's strapped now. I'm more than happy that that's secure to go. Everything's got 2 straps as well. Let's get out of here now. All right, look at my floor already, but let's get in. Oh man, This is gonna be a difficult one. Okay, let's see. Hey. Yeah. Ah, God. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. Should be able to get out of there. They're gonna have to clean my wheels as well. Oh, oh, oh. That's it. The same way we get in now. It's tight. It's very. That's all right. Can't even see on that side there. That little mirror gives me. Oh, hey, we out of there. All right, mate, just do what you need to do. What would it be? Yeah, let's go forward. I'll try to get you in. Yeah, go on. Oh. It's harder, isn't it? I know. Yeah, I'll just get what I can get. All right, mate, just do what you gotta do. All right, while he does that, just do my floor a bit. Can you do this for me, lad? Squid for me. That's it, cheers. All right, just give that a wipe now. Yeah, mate, it's fine. Okay, all right, I'm gonna have to clean myself in a bit. Woo! All right.
Let me guide you out. Then.
That's good. All right. The wheel's been wet, doesn't help much, does it? Alright, okay. Come on. Alright, this guy's gonna have to move. Woo! Oh, go on. It's alright.
What with my brother?
Are the lads ready for this? Where you go? Hello! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Was she, yeah? She gonna...
Yes, 17 months.
Ah! See you in a bit. See you in a bit, mate. Alright, let's go and do this. Woo! That's alright, mate. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, the plan is to get out of here. Alright. Come on, let's get going then. Woo! Okay. Da-da-da-dum. Wow! Should be alright there. Know what I mean? Oh, mounting the curve a bit. Had to. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you coming there. Come on, then. Happy days.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day.
Quick update, this is taking longer than I thought. Normally together it will take you about not even a minute, and I've been on this traffic for about 15 minutes. You know, it's just one of them things when you come to the cities. All right, okay. That was about it. So, okay, not too bad. All right, lads. we have arrived now. I just need to get in this place now, and then I start tipping this truck, and you know, that should be, I'm in the yard now, so I'm just trying to figure out if the lads are ready for me. We had a little bit of downfall in here. I'm trying to pick that up, this went down like that. Hopefully this one don't fall, because it's not all strapped as well. Go straight, don't go like that. Oh, no. Last one coming out. That's it, take it away. All right, that's still there, but just reverse it and get out of here. Bit difficult to get out of here, but now this is a challenge. Will help. I used to take it wider there. Let me see. Okay. So the back end be alright there. Okay, that's good. Alright. Happy days. Alright, I just been on the phone to the office. I just go back to my yard and park up and then back out tomorrow. I got a couple exciting things tomorrow, so I will film that as well. But anyway, guys, if you haven't, please subscribe. I'm back again. I'm gonna just carry on doing videos. I'm gonna try to make an effort to post more. If you want me to post more, please like and comment. Like that will help me massively. Jesus. So like I said, that will help me massively. If you can like and comment, guys, like I beg you, like if you can do that, like that will help this video to go reach more people, and then gives me more an incentive to carry on doing what I do best, which is these videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and then yeah, anything exciting, I will come back. Cheers, guys.